Right, let me show you something. This looks expensive. This looks like it took hours. And this looks like something you'd find on Etsy for about 15 quid. All made on one machine. Now, when people hear 5-watt UV laser, they immediately think, yeah, that sounds a bit underwhelming. And to be honest, I thought the exact same thing. But here's what they don't tell you. This isn't about power, and this is about precision. Because instead of burning like a normal laser, this thing actually breaks down the surface at a molecular level, so there's no charring, no burn marks, no cleanup, and the details are ridiculous. So today I'm going to show you what the xTool F2 Ultra UV actually does, who it's for, and whether you can realistically turn this into a proper income stream. So let's get this straight first. This is a 5-watt UV laser. It behaves completely differently to a CO2 or diode machine. Instead of burning material, it uses what's called cold processing. So rather than scorching the surface, it's breaking molecular bonds instead. And that changes everything. What you end up with is just clean, no soot, no black edges, no standing there wiping things down wondering how it's gone wrong, and the detail is where this really shines. The dot size on this thing is tiny, which means text is razor sharp, photos actually look like photos, and fine detail just holds together properly. This is where UV lasers dominate precision work, glass and crystal. Now let's talk about where the money actually is. K9 crystal. This is your premium lane because this machine doesn't just engrave the surface, it can engrave inside the crystal. And that completely changes how the product feels. You're not selling something engraved, you're selling something that looks like a memory floating inside of glass. And that's the difference. And this is the kind of product people buy when it actually means something. Anniversaries, memorials, proper gifts, and that's why they're happy to spend real money on it. Now, this is the one that surprised me because most people assume UV lasers aren't great for wood. Completely wrong. Because there's no burning, so instead of that dark, slightly messy engraved look, you get something much cleaner, much smoother, almost carved, and this is where it gets interesting. You can do 3D depth maps, topographic designs, layered artwork, even photo style engravings with actual depth. And these look ridiculous. It's one of those products where people instantly go, right, how much is that? Which is exactly what you want. Slate is one of those products that just works, and with UV it comes out really clean. You get strong contrast, sharp detail, and no overburn. It's quick to produce, easy to personalize, and people instantly understand it is a gift. So yes, competition is high, but it's high because it sells. Here's my honest take. This is one of the few machines where beginners can come in and not feel like they're constantly fighting it, because you're not dealing with burn marks, you're not fixing mistakes every 5 minutes, you're getting clean results quickly. Which means even if you're new, your products already look premium. Of course, you still need good designs, good listings, and good photos. The machine won't fix that. Well, nothing will. If I was starting again today, I wouldn't overcomplicate it. I'd build this like a ladder. At the top, crystal products. That's where your profit sits. Under that, slate items, consistent, reliable, easy sellers, and then wood for flexibility. Now, people might come in cheap, but the goal is to move them up, because the moment you stop competing on price, everything gets easier. If you're looking at this and thinking, yeah, I could actually build something with this, I've left a link in the description to do this exact setup I'm using. It's an affiliate link, so if you do pick one up, it helps support the channel, and I genuinely appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything more. And don't forget, if you want more content like this with real products, real numbers, and what actually works, make sure you're subscribed. So, is the xTool F2 Ultra UV actually worth it? Honestly, yes. Not because it does everything, but because it does the right things really well. The level of detail, the clean finish, and the ability to create premium products, and that's where the value is. It's not about making more products, it's about making better ones. If you just use this like a standard laser, you're missing the point. But if you lean into what it's actually good at, precision, detail, and premium products, you've got something seriously powerful. Because deep down, this machine isn't competing with £10 products. And that's exactly where you want to be. Right, so if you enjoy this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let me know what products you want to see in the future, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao.